Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A revolutionary combination of ultra-luxury car style and the roomy amenities of a custom home on wheels is represented by the Mercedes Benz Limousine Home 2027 concept. This imagined car, positioned as a stately and opulent invention, would revolutionize mobile living and raise it to a previously unheard-of level of refinement and technology integration. It perfectly combines the luxury of a limousine with the practicality and roominess of a luxury camper van, embodying Mercedes-Benz dedication to perfection. The Mercedes-Benz Limousine Home 2027 would radiate a sense of subdued elegance and dignified power from the outside. The brand's most prominent sedan and SUV lines would surely influence its appearance, but it would be scaled down and modified to make room for a larger cabin. Anticipate a long, imposing silhouette, perhaps with a streamlined, panoramic roof park for better views and natural light. The recognizable Mercedes-Benz grille would be a main attraction, with cutting-edge, flexible LED lighting systems on either side that convey both practicality and a futuristic look. With smooth panel gaps and a high-gloss finish, the surfaces would be painstakingly molded. They might also be accentuated with subtle chrome or distinctive trim pieces that highlight their bespoke character. The car's very existence would draw notice and establish a new standard for opulent mobility. The limousine home's vast interior would showcase its genuine ingenuity and grandeur. This would be more than just a motorhome. It would be a finely constructed residence intended for affluent customers. With an uncompromising dedication to unmatched comfort and visual harmony, the arrangement would probably prioritize separate areas for work, entertainment, and rest. The finest materials would be used, including soft, hand-stitched leathers, veneers of rare wood, accents of polished metal, and perhaps even custom artwork or incorporated crystal. Artisanal craftsmanship would be evident in every surface and fixture. Integration of technology would be crucial. Modern infotainment technology would be integrated into the limousine home, allowing for seamless multi-zone management of the lighting, entertainment, privacy glass, and climate. Large-format OLED screens, high-fidelity audio systems, and advanced networking options, such as satellite internet, would guarantee that residents are always engaged and connected. In addition to comfort, the car would probably have cutting-edge wellness features including air purification systems, diffusers of ambient aroma, and ergonomic seats with ventilation and massaging capabilities. Convenience and transformability would be improved by automated elements like convertible sleeping arrangements and movable awnings. Experience the seamless control and refined power of the Mercedes-Benz Limousine Home 2027. A highly developed powertrain that prioritizes comfort above raw speed, possibly hybrid or entirely electric, would provide quiet, smooth propulsion. A high-tech active suspension system integrated into the chassis would provide occupants with a smooth ride that shields them from road imperfections. Modern driver assistance technologies that greatly surpass existing capabilities would make operating this magnificent car simple and secure. The Mercedes-Benz Limousine Home 2027 would essentially be more than just a car. It would be a rolling, magnificent home and a mobile sanctuary made for people who want the highest level of luxury, innovation, and independence when traveling. It would completely reinvent what a personal luxury vehicle could be, exemplifying the idea of a grand and luxurious innovation.